Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to circle a word in MS Word. So for example, if you want to circle this word, so very easy, click on insert, then click on shapes. Now select this shape. Now draw here. Now drop, and now click on shape fill, select no fill, and shape outline, select any color. Now shape effect, you can give any effect, and also you can change this shape size like this one. So this is the easy and quick way to circle a word in MS Word. Click on insert, shapes, take this shape and draw here, make proper, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, select any color, and weight, select any size, and also you can adjust properly as your requirement, like so this is the easy and quick way to circle a word in MS Word. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.